CA Final Direct Tax, a subject almost as big as FR, but with the right mindset and the right strategy, it can be your scoring subject. This strategy consists of 5 steps, and each of the steps is focused on making the subject crisp and concise. Step 1. Divide and rule. I have divided the 28 chapters into category of 4. The first category have the chapters which are core, like PGBP, capital gain, IFOS. This chapter will test your concepts. The second category of chapters are the chapters that are based on memory, like TDS, TCS, MAT, AMT, charitable, tonnage taxation, etc. The third category of chapters are the procedural chapters. These chapters will only require you to watch the revision lectures and then do the question bank directly. The fourth category of chapters are international taxation based chapters. These chapters are the most scoring if you do question bank very thoroughly. Step 2. The RDP book. This RDP book will have your rates, dates and provisions. The rates should be written with red color pen, the dates should be written with blue color pen, and the provisions should be written with black color pen. So you have to take a small diary or some white paper inside which you have to extract all the important rates, dates and provision. This diary will help you revise everything that you have written down, extracted inside it before sleeping. And same like audit, when you wake up, you have to start recalling everything that you wrote and revised yesterday. If you do this for the next 30 days, I assure you that the confidence in direct tax will increase immensely. For your convenience, I have uploaded the photo of this. Take it as a reference and make your own RDP book. I have also uploaded the topic-wise ABC PDF inside the same Google Drive. One pro tip for TDS: when you are doing TDS, write the rates on top of a blank sheet of paper. For example, 0.5%, 1%, 2%, 5%, 10% and 30%. उसके नीचे you have to write all the name of the TDS sections. For example, 0.5% में बस O और Q आएंगे. उसके बाद in 2% there will be like DA, G, H, I, J, M, N. Why do I remember this? Because I made a mnemonic out of it. Dagi Jaman. Be it whatever mnemonic you can make. आप जो भी चाहो वो mnemonic बना सकते हो. अब इससे क्या होगा? This will give you photographic memory. आप जब एग्जाम लिख रहे होगे तो आपको खुद ही याद आ जाएगा कि 0.5% के नीचे तो खाली ये 2 थे, 30% में भी खाली ये 3 थे, 2% में मैंने ये DA, G, H, I, J, M, N ऐसे करके बनाया हुआ है. So this will give you very much immense confidence in TDS chapter और 4 मार्क आपके जेब में आ जाएंगे. Step number 3. Scribble. For DT and IDT, you have the luxury to not write whole answers. You just need relevant figures and one-liner provision that are enough to solve the question. But do not get into the loop of auditing the questions. Do it very fast, but do not audit. Do 1 to 2 questions of every topic, and here comes the game changer. The mistake register. I suggest you to staple some pages of your paper behind your question bank or make a separate mistake register. You will realize that in DT you will make the smallest and smallest of mistakes, and you will do it time and time again. For example, the mistake of surcharge, or maybe grossing up, or maybe the new tax regime, or maybe forgetting the provisions. Whatever it be, just note it down in one line in your mistake register, and whenever you are revising the chapter, open the mistake register and see what mistakes did you make. Trust me, you will make the same mistake again, but that's alright. That will save you from making the mistake in the examinations. This single strategy will increase your 8 to 10 marks. Step 4. Solve. Solve the PYQs, the RTPs, the MTPs. If you want the compilation of those, you can go to Arish Khan sir's Telegram channel and download it and take a printout. Do remember you have to do that 35 case scenario booklet of ICAI. Do not miss that. It has really deep provisions that will increase the level of conceptual clarity that you have. Step 5. Mock test. Each of your revision should be completed in half the time that the last revision was done, and each of the revision should be ended with a mock test. The mock test is not to check your marks, but rather in direct text you have to handle the pressure of completing the paper in 3 hours. I say, if you don't remember the answer, look at the answer, watch the answer, write it, but still there is a probability that you won't be able to complete it in 3 hours. So 2 to 3 mocks are very necessary. Here comes another pro tip. For January 26, September 25 and May 25's RTP will be really important. And for May 26, the amendments will be really important. These are the 3 very important videos for your attempt. This helped me a lot, scoring 60 plus in direct tax. If you follow these 5 steps religiously, I assure you that scoring exemption in direct tax will be possible for you too. अब वीडियो समराइज करते हैं। सबसे पहले डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स से वो पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करो, अपना खुद का स्वॉट एनालिसिस करो कि कौन से टॉपिक्स में तुम्हें दिक्कत आ रही है। उसके बाद तुम स्टेप नंबर 2 पे जाओ, जो है आरडीपी, ठीक है, रेट्स डेट्स एंड प्रोविजन की खुद की बुकलेट बनाना चालू करो, जिसमें तुम बस इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो, इधर उधर की चीजें नहीं। उसके बाद तुम जाते हो इसके रिवीजन पे रात को सोने से पहले, और सुबह उठ के सेम चीज रिकॉल करनी है, ठीक है। इसके साथ साथ तुम्हें स्टेप नंबर 3 करना है, जो है राइटिंग, स्क्रिबलिंग। आराम से खाली तुम फिगर्स को स्क्रिबल करके कंप्लीट करो और तुम्हारा डीटी एकदम फिंगर टिप्स पे आने लगेगा, हर कंसेप्ट के 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन। आप जब वो टीडीएस का रेट्स वाला बना रहे होगे और बाकी के आप खुद के आरडीपी नोट्स बना रहे होंगे, तो आपको मेरा पीडीएफ बहुत काम आएगा। इसके बाद आता है स्टेप नंबर 4, जिसमें तुमको करना है सॉल्व। क्वेश्चन बैंक में तुमने एक कंसेप्ट के 1-2 क्वेश्चन किए, उसके साथ साथ तुम्हें प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, आरटीपीस, एमटीपीस, मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर्स और खास करके आईसीआई के 35 केस सिनेरियो बुकलेट तुम्हें करने ही करने हैं। और लास्ट स्टेप है मॉक के लिए अपीयर करो। हाँ, मुश्किल लगेगा, लेकिन फिर भी लिखो, जितना हो सके तुम बिना देखे लिखने की ट्राई करो। अगर नहीं भी हो रहा है तो तुम देख के भी लिख दो, पर 3 घंटे में कंप्लीट करो। जब तुम ये प्रोसेस में होगे तब तुम्हें खुद ही अपना स्वॉट एनालिसिस पता चल जाएगा। उस हिसाब से तुम्हें अपना 1.5 डे स्ट्रेटेजी प्लान करना है। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, अगर तुमने ये आरडीपी बुक बना ली, तुमने मिस्टेक रजिस्टर बना लिया, तो 1.5 डेज में तुम्हें पता होगा कि तुम्हें किस किस एरिया पे फोकस करना है, जो तुम्हारे लिए डीटी पूरा रिवाइज करना बहुत ईजी कर देगा। सो दैट्स द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच। जय श्री कृष्णा। एज प्रॉमिस्ड, जो इस वीडियो पे पहले कमेंट करेगा, मैं उसको मेरे डीटी के सारे मटेरियल घर पे डिलीवर कराऊंगा। थैंक यू सो मच।